We also have a location API called GeoLocation, and it does device location. So, it's kind of hard to compete with Android or iOS. Those devices are collecting locations, and they've got great location technologies built into them. They're wonderful APIs that you can get from both Apple and Google. We tackled this problem in a different way because Pitney Bowes isn't selling phones, so we can't use those phones as sensors to collect this data to build these databases. We worked with the telecom network providers who also have this information. So it's not necessarily by device, but by network. But net is we can locate any IP address globally, any Wi-Fi access point by MAC address globally, fixed line phone numbers in the United States, and wireless phone numbers in the United States. The wireless phone number method requires consent. So the customer would have to collect consent from the end user in order to locate those phones remotely. But there is no client required on the phone. It does not need to be an operating system or an application. It works off of phone numbers. So you pass in a phone number to an API and we return a lat long, or you pass in a MAC address and we return a lat long, or you pass in an IP address and we return a lat long. So we have an equivalent. We've just decided to do it a little bit differently because again, we don't have our own devices out in the marketplace.